Oh Lord, what happened to her? Why is she so angry? What is that? What happened to her? Okay, Picasso, I like it. Alright guys, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna make some characters, but they're not gonna be your average characters. They are gonna be based off of TikTok art prompts. Let's see what absolutely crazy concepts we can come up with.
OC challenge, yay!
Yay!
If you're a daytime person, draw a boy, and if you're a nighttime person, draw a girl.
Truth be told, guys, I don't know what I am, so we're gonna draw a girl.
The skin is based on your favorite color. The hair color is the same color as your phone case. The clothes and the color are styled after your favorite planet in the solar system. The eye color is based on what pet you have. If you have no pet, draw a blindfold. And now it's time for accessories.
Accessories?
If you have Facebook, add a bag. If you have Instagram, add a bow. If you have Snapchat, add a scarf. If you have YouTube, add a flag. If you have Twitter, add your favorite animal. If you have Tumblr, add a flower crown. If you have Discord, add jewelry. If you have the Likee app, add a background.
That's a lot! You know what? Let's follow the main prompts and let's see what we come up with, okay? I don't know if I'm a nighttime person or a daytime person, so we're just gonna draw a girl. And you know what? She's gonna be a baddie. All right, there we go. I like that, I like that, I like that. How is that for all you thirsty individuals? I know my audience. Okay, TikTok, what's next?
The skin is based on your favorite color.
Skin's gonna be red, so that's gonna be interesting. Let's start a new layer and let's start coloring our character. So with red skin, I don't want it to be too vibrant because I don't want it to be like just super in your face looking. This is looking really vibrant. There we go. That's better. And I also want to add a little bit of variation in the tone. So maybe a bit of a blush. Blush on red skin. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What did I do? Okay, there we go. A little bit of variation there. That looks okay to me.
The hair color is the same color as your phone case.
Hair's the same color as my phone case, and my phone case today just so happens to be a very light blue. So that's gonna be interesting. Oh, wow. Wow, guys.
The clothes and the color are styled after your favorite planet in the solar system. The eye color is based on what pet you have.
Okay, all right, so the clothes are gonna be based on your favorite planet in the solar system. Now, if you guys say any planet other than Earth, you and me, we're gonna have a problem. Guys, please, the Earth is beautiful. Well, why would you say anything else? Oh, I love the Earth. Anyways, we're gonna use some earthy colors. I'm thinking of Earth from space, so it's going to be like mostly blue with hints of green, maybe a little bit of yellowish green, also a bit of golden kind of dirt color. So we'll kind of work that in here. I'm thinking we could mix these colors into something that looks almost iridescent. Let's see if we can succeed. Let's see if our art skills are up to par. So let's get this blue. That's pretty nice blue. You know what, since the style and the color of the clothing is all based on the planet, let's give her big flowy sleeves to represent the water on Earth. All right, that looks pretty cool. Now I'm gonna make the sleeves a little bit transparent so you can see the arms through them. Again, you know, based on the qualities of water, right? A little bit see-through, but it's only gonna be transparent on the sleeves, guys, nowhere else. I know what you're thinking, don't even think about it. I know my audience. I know you. Not bad, guys. Not bad, she's looking kind of cool. And since we're referencing Earth, we're gonna use some earthly colors, right? We're gonna get some green in here, maybe get some nice transition between the blue and the green. Ooh. Wow. Okay, and now I wanna mix in a little bit of yellow, some line art just to define these smaller details here, like the silhouette for the sleeve, silhouette for the body, and of course, I'm gonna run from my responsibilities and not draw the hands. Kind of looks like, you know, when you get that nice, beautiful tropical water and it's just green and vibrant. I need a vacation. And you know what, guys? When you look at the Earth from space, you can see the white clouds. I want to add that here as well. Maybe we can give her some wings. Well, they're not really looking like wings right now, but they do kind of look like clouds. And we're just gonna boop, boop. Beautiful. Ooh, and boop. And I forgot to flip the canvas. So her head shape is actually all wonky. Let me just fix that real quick. Why didn't you guys tell me?
If you have Twitter, add your favorite animal. If you have Tumblr, add a flower crown. If you have Discord, add jewelry.
We're gonna be selective here. We're not gonna add all of that. There's no way. Let's do some jewelry and maybe a tattoo. All right, there we go. There's some quick jewelry. I'm gonna flip it horizontal just to make sure everything looks right. And There we go. There's our first character based off of our TikTok art prompt, and she turned out really cool. I love this. Let's do another one.
I haven't seen this done before, so let's make an OC based on your birthday. The gender is your choice. The personality is based on your zodiac sign. The clothing style is based on the season that you were born in. The color of your clothing is based on your birth flower and or your birth color. The eye color is your birthstone. And even birthdays have natural hair color, while odd birthdays have unnatural hair color. And the rest is up to you.
Whoa, that's cool. The gender is your choice. So you know what I'm gonna choose. Okay, so our first character is looking kind of like a little bit down, straight on, kind of. So let's do another character that's kind of like looking up. Again, we're gonna make her a baddie. So she will be looking slightly upwards. This is gonna be her eyebrow. Now I'm also doing this because the personality is supposed to match your sign, and I'm an Aries. We're supposed to be like really feisty, stubborn, you know, not easy to deal with. So we're gonna try to get that to come across here. Oh Lord, what happened to her? Why is she so angry? Yeah, she looks too angry. I think it's the mouth. It's not helping. The mouth is not helping. Maybe let's raise her eyebrow. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now she just looks really judgmental. Okay, Picasso, I like it. So for this pose, we have her kind of sitting down, leaning back, her legs are crossed, and she's kind of like looking at you with a very judgmental look. I think this captures the essence of an Aries. Anyways, what's next, TikTok? What's next?
The clothing style is based on the season that you were born in. The color of your clothing is based on your birth flower and or your birth color.
Okay, clothing style.
The eye color is your birthstone.
Clothing style is based on the season you were born in. So I'm thinking probably a light dress with maybe a jacket or something because it's spring. Now, I don't even know what my birth flower is, so we're gonna have to look this up. Okay guys, so I'm reporting back. My birth flower is actually a daisy. I believe white and yellow, which is a really good color scheme. That's something we can work with. So for the clothing, let's do some kind of a dress. Now, here's a tip on when you're drawing your characters, okay? You might be tempted to add in all kinds of different small details and accessories, but honestly, guys, the simpler your character is, the more memorable they are oftentimes. Think big picture. You want to be able to recognize that character from like a mile away. All right, so let's add in these beautiful colors here. We're gonna get a nice golden yellow, and we're gonna take a round brush and just, ooh. That's nice. So nothing was mentioned about the hair color, which means I gotta go with the default. I gotta go with brown. Now we're gonna add some white for the white and gold color combination of the daisy. I'm really out here drawing characters based on flowers. You know what, guys? I kind of like that she looks a little bit normal because the previous characters that we've drawn have all looked quite freaky. So this is a good change of pace. Now, since we don't have all day to render, I am once again going to use some line art, some very simple, very fast, sketchy line art to define the details on the character. Looks pretty good to me. Now, the next thing that we got to do is the eye color, which is going to be based on my birthstone. And my birthstone, I believe, is a diamond. Now, I got to say, I really like that for this challenge, they actually included the personality for the character, because I think a lot of challenges are solely based on the appearance of the character, and they don't really take into account how this character would behave, because a character's personality can have a huge impact on the pose that you're going to choose, on the outfit that you're going to choose, and on the facial expression that you're going to choose. So whoever made this TikTok, props to you for choosing the personality. It's what's on the inside that matters. I think that looks pretty good. You know what though, I kind of want to, let's try something here. You guys know like the long, thin flower petals that you see on the daisy? I'm gonna put that into her jacket. Almost looks like feathers, but that looks kind of cool actually. We're gonna keep that. See, when you're drawing a character, when you're coming up with a concept, a lot of these things kind of just happen in the moment and you gotta trust your instincts. Okay, this might be one of my favorite characters that we've ever made using a TikTok art prompt. She's like a character who you would be able to see just walking around in everyday life, just with a very quirky jacket. Cool, so I hope you guys enjoyed these characters, but for our final challenge, it's not actually gonna be a character, okay? It's gonna be pure suffering. So I found this TikTok called 10-second challenge. Let's take a look.
This is the 10-second artist challenge. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use the sound and show us what you've got.
Okay, for 10 seconds, that's a really good drawing. The person who drew this, you're insane. And honestly, you know what? If you guys want, we can do this together. Go get your sketchbook, go get something that you can draw on. And we're gonna try to draw a face in 10 seconds. Are you ready? Okay.
The 10-second artist challenge.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Oh,
10,
no.
9,
No.
8,
No.
7, 6, 5, 4,
No.
3,
No.
2,
No.
1.
No. What is that? What happened to her? What is this? We're gonna take this. We're gonna put it off to the side. Let's do it again.
This is the 10-second artist challenge.
Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
No.
5, 4,
No.
3, 2,
Oh,
1.
no. It got worse. I am thoroughly appalled. But you know what? Here at Sam Does Arts, we don't give up. Okay, let's do it again.
Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Let's do another one until we fill up this canvas.
Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
No!
2,
No!
1.
Guys, it's not getting better. It's I am ashamed of myself right now. Let's just make that really, really small. Let's draw a
Ready?
man.
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Maybe let's stick to women.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. That's perfect. Anyways, we're just gonna pretend this page didn't happen. But honestly, you know, I always talk about how you shouldn't take all your advice from TikTok, and some of the stuff on here is very unreliable. But there's some fun stuff on TikTok. Seriously, if you guys are ever feeling art block, you don't really know what to draw, you feel like you're stuck, you don't know what character to make next, go on TikTok, search up art challenges, and look at some of these prompts. They're a great way to get your creative juices flowing and get you going, get you started on your next drawing. So out of the 3 challenges that we did today, let me know which one is your favorite. You can't pick this one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully you're inspired now to go out there and create your own beautiful character. With that being said, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art content like this, and head over to Patreon if you want to see our monthly tutorials. And I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, now that most people have left, I want to have a real talk, okay, me and you. So I've been feeling a little bit of art block, a little bit of an art slump lately, and it made me think about one of the very common things that happens to artists today, and that is we tend to worry too much about social media. We tend to be driven by social media and the engagement that we get on social media and all that stuff. But I've been feeling like sometimes the pressure of having to present your work to an audience on social media can actually hinder how good your art can be, because while you're creating, you're constantly at the back of your head thinking, is this going to be something I can post online? Is this going to turn out good enough? And that's going to negatively affect how your drawing is actually going to turn out. I've been feeling that. I know a lot of you guys out there who post on social media, you've probably felt that before. So this is just a friendly reminder to, you know, from somebody who feels the same thing, to remember to enjoy the process, right? Create something that you enjoy and don't worry too much about that final piece, how it's going to turn out. Don't worry too much about who's going to see it, who's going to like it. Just do it for you. Make sure you're having fun. Okay? All right? Anyways, that's it. That's it from me. Therapy session dismissed.